Super Drone Guy. Today I have the privilege to drone the Robberg Nature Reserve, and all permissions have been granted, permits have been paid, and what a location. Plet in the background there. Got my radio, got my drone. We'll be chatting to any possible aircraft in the area because the Plettenberg airport is just down the road, but we'll drone some beautiful shots and fly safe. Come fly with me.
Darling, don't quit your daydream. It's your life that you're making. It ain't big enough if it doesn't scare the hell out of you. If it makes you nervous, it's probably worth it. Why save it for sleep when you could be living your day?